So it's 2024, you wrote down your New Year's resolutions, you wrote down your goals, and you haven't achieved anything. And you haven't started on your goals. You need to get on with it. Now, the problem is not that you are lazy. The problem is that you have no discipline. You are not disciplined enough to pursue your goals. So let's talk about how to become more disciplined this year so that you can create the life of your dreams and you can become successful in whatever goals that you have for you. Now, when it comes to discipline, discipline is hard, but it is definitely worth it in the end. When it comes to discipline, you need to realize that it is about doing the hard things now to actually benefit your future self. So you are literally doing the hard things, the things you don't want to do right now, despite your emotions, despite how you feel, despite any external factors. You are doing whatever needs to be done so that your future self is appreciative and your future self is living their best life. So how do you become disciplined with your goals? Now, the first thing is make your goals measurable. Don't just go and write a huge goal that you know you cannot achieve in the next year, and then you tell yourself, okay, I'm gonna achieve this in a year. What happens is your brain literally knows that this is not possible and it's not gonna happen. So then you convince yourself that, okay, it's not really gonna happen, so why should I even try? And then you end up giving up, and then you keep telling yourself, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I'm gonna start tomorrow, I'm gonna start tomorrow, because your goal is just too big. And it's like it's not realistic. So the first thing is, with your goals, write down your goal, right? The big goal that you have, for example. Then you break down your goal into smaller steps that you can do every single day for you to achieve the ultimate goal. Let's take an example. Let's take gym, for example, and exercise. So let's say you say, okay, I want to lose 25 kg in the next year. Let's take that. What you do is you write down that big goal that you want to lose 26 kgs. Then under that goal, you're going to write down the steps that you're going to take every single day. So what you're going to write down is, I'm going to work out every single day, right? So I'm going to work out for 30 minutes every single day. Now what that does is it breaks down your goal into a smaller portion that your brain can comprehend and that your body can be okay with actually doing. So now when you're implementing it every day, you'll be saying, okay, I need to work out for 30 minutes. That's it. Just 30 minutes. Nothing more, nothing less. Just 30 minutes. A 30-minute skip, a 30-minute jog, a 30-minute HIIT workout, whatever it is. I'm just going to do it for 30 minutes. Now when you do this, this is literally taking you to your future goal. Each step every day will add up to become your future goal. By the time you reach the end of the year, you will have lost this amount of weight that you wanted to lose. Another example is if you say, I want to make 100,000 Rand by the end of this year. Now that is a big goal, especially if you don't have any plan, you don't know how you're going to make this money. It's just a giant goal that you literally have no plan for. Now what you need to do is plan, right? You're going to write down the small steps that you need to take in order for you to make this 100,000 Rand at the end of the year. So let's say maybe you're going to say, okay, I need to start a business. Okay, cool. You want to start a business. Now, how do you start this business? You write down the steps of how you start this business. So now you're going to tell yourself, okay, every single day, I'm going to either do some research on how to start this business, and then I'm going to start taking the steps necessary to start this business. Either, okay, by the 15th, I'm going to order my products. By the 21st, I'm going to start taking pictures of my products. By the end of the month, I'm going to actually put it up on my website. By this day, I'm going to then ask someone to create my website if you can't create your own website. By this day, so you break up your goals into smaller steps that you can achieve daily, rather than you panicking about the giant goal and then telling yourself, I can't even really do it, I don't even know where to start, and then you start convincing yourself to not even try. So make sure that you break your goals into smaller steps. So make your goal into a plan. Once it's a plan, then it is a daily execution. So once you start executing, you then start dealing with your emotions. The emotions is usually what ends up affecting us the most when it comes to being disciplined. We will say, okay, I don't want to gym today because I'm feeling sad. I don't want to gym today because I don't feel like it. yeah, that is literally going to keep you stuck where you are. You need to realize that how you feel doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. How you feel doesn't matter. If you're saying, I feel tired, I don't feel like going to the gym, you're making a mistake. You need to tell yourself, I'm going to go to the gym. Don't even think about it. Just get up, put on your clothes, and just go to the gym. Don't even take a moment to think about how you feel and all the different things that you need to do in order to get to the gym. I need to get dressed. I need to put on my shoes. I need to drive there. All of that. Don't even think about it. Just get up and go. Just get up and go. And literally try to learn how to control your emotions. You need to learn how to control your emotions. Don't allow your emotions to dictate how you live your life and how you achieve your goals. Because literally, if you work around your emotions and how you're feeling, you'll literally have days where you're sad and you don't go to the gym. So now if you're sad for the whole week, it means you're not going to the gym. Think about it this way. If you have a 9-to-5 job, whether you're feeling unwell, whether you're not okay, whether you're sad, whether you're depressed, you still get up in the morning, get dressed, and you go to work. Because why? At the end of the day, you're going to get paid, right? So you have that motivation of, I'm going to get paid. Let me just go. I have no choice. They're going to fire me if I don't go. So it's the same thing with your goals. Look at it in a sense of, I need to go to the gym, or I need to start this business, or I need to learn this course, or whatever it is, so that tomorrow I can literally benefit from this. So always think about your future self. Think about what she or he is doing. Think about what life are they living. And your future self, think like them. Your future self, the good version, the high level version of yourself, she went to the gym. She made the money. She bought the car. She did all of that already, right? So all you need to do is just realize, I just need to do this small step that will benefit me tomorrow. So just literally try to control your emotions and try to not work around your emotions, but literally just ignore your emotions. Just ignore them. Just act like they're not there. I know it is difficult. It is very difficult, but just ignore them. Just do what you gotta do. Okay, and literally that will help you to become more disciplined. So the first thing was that I spoke about, break down your goals into plans. Break them down into small steps that you need to take every single day in order for you to reach the ultimate goal. That makes it more comprehensionable. Is that a word? I don't know. I don't know if that's a word. If it's not, I'm sorry. But anyway, that will make it more realistic to your brain, and it will make you more understanding of, this is what I need to do, and I can do this. I can work out 30 minutes in a day, right? 30 minutes is tiny compared to saying I want to lose 25 kgs in a month. It's tiny. So make sure that you literally break down your goals. Then the next thing is control your emotions. Do not allow your feelings or your emotions to dictate how you live your life. I think that's like two main steps, basically. Two main things that you need to do in order for you to build discipline. And then literally, once you've built discipline, you will be unstoppable. Unstoppable. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.